Arithmetic Progressions, exercise 5.3, problem 1. Find the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. Find the sum. Okay, this sum anta cheste anta vastundi. Okay, first here A1 equals to first term is 2, A2 is second term 7, A3 is third term that is 12. So many terms are there. This is an AP already given. Following AP. So first find D, common difference. What is the formula? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2? 7 minus 2, that is 5. Okay. Now we will find the sum of n terms. Here, what is the value of n? N equals to 10 because n terms are there. 10 terms are there. So now Sn, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn equals to what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of n is 10. So S10 equals to 10 by 2 into 2. A value 2. A is nothing but A1. 2a plus n value 10. 10 minus 1 into d is common difference, that is 5. So 10 by 2 value 5. 5 into 2, 2 is 4. Plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. Okay, that equals to 5 into 4 plus 9, 5 is 45. So 5 into 4 plus 45, 49. So 5 into 49 is 5, 9 is 45. 4 balance, 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So in the given series, sum of first 10 terms is 245. Second one, find the sum of minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on up to 12 terms. So here A1 equals to minus 37, A2 equals to minus 33, second term. A2 is nothing but second term. A3 equals to minus 29. Up to how many terms? 12 terms. Therefore n equals to 12. Now sum of n terms. What is the formula? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here how many terms are there? 12 terms. So S12 equals to 12 by 2 into 2a. A value, a is nothing but a1 minus 37 n minus 1. 12 minus 1 d. D is the common difference. What is the value of d? See, d equals to, what is the formula? D equals to a2 minus a1. Here a2 is how much? Minus 33. Minus a1 is minus 37. Listen, minus 37. So minus 33. Minus or minus is plus 37. 37 minus 3 is 4. So d is 4. So 2 how many times? 6 times. 6 into minus 2, 37 is 2 7 is 14, 2 3 is 6, 74. 2 times of minus 37 is minus 74. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. So 6 into minus 74 plus 11 4 is 44. Okay. So 6 into minus 74 plus 44 minus 30. Okay. So here minus is there. Right, keep outside the minus. 630 is 180. The sum of first 12 terms in the above sequence is minus 180. See the problem number 4. Find the sum of 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 terms. So here first term is A1 equals to 1 over 15. So A2 equals to second term 1 by 12. So A3 is 1 by 10. How many terms are there? 11 terms. So n equals to 11. Now first find the value of d, that means common difference. What is the formula? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2? A2 value 1 by 12 minus A1 value 1 by 15. 1 by 15. What is the LCM of 12 and 15? See, 12, 15. So 2 tables 6 times. So this is 15 only. Again 2 table 3 times, write 15. So now 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. 5 table, write 1, 5 ones are. So LCM is 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 fives are 60. 12 fives are 60. So LCM is 60. 60 LCM. 12 how many times? 5 times. 5 ones are 5. Minus 15 how many times? 4 times. 4 ones are 4. So 1 over 60. Okay. Now sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. What is the formula sum of n terms? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now I want to find S11. Sum of 11 terms equals to 11 by 2 into 2. A value how much? 1 by 15. 2a plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1. D. D is how much? 1 by 60. Okay. Now 11 by 2 into 2 ones are 2. 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 10 by 60. Okay. That equals to 11 by 2. 15 and 60 LCM is 60. So 15 is factor of 60. So LCM is 60. 15 how many times? 4 times. So 15 4 times. 4 into this number 2. Plus 60 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 10. Okay. That equals to 11 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 10s are 10 by 60. Okay. Next one. That equals to 11 by 2. 11 by 2. 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. 8 plus 10 is 18 by 60. 18 by 60. Now see 2 9 times. 2 9 times. So 11 into 9 by 60. Again 3 times. 3 20 times. So 11 3 is 33 by 20. So sum of first 11 terms in the given sequence is 33 by 20.